Well, the heavy rain that's fallen over the last couple of weeks really soaking the ground. Normally, that's good for farmers, but there is some concern tonight. 13 ABC's Senna Ora talked with farmers who are bracing for more rain. Senna?
Well, Bill, it's too early to tell if there will be any permanent loss of crops just yet, but farmers tell us that standing water is causing some spotty damage. Ponding water on farm fields is threatening crops like soybeans. Roots are shallow and too much rain will suffocate them.
A lot of the corn is big enough now, it'll take a little more, but the soybeans are right to the stage where it's really going to start hurting them.
Jeff Creaky of Creaky's Greenhouse farms about 1,200 acres from Sylvania to Dundee. The forecast for more rain is worrying him.
Now, with being all this rain, the crops are not rooting down, and if it gets bone dry later, and then we get hurt again because there's no roots to the crops.
At this point, fighting back weeds with herbicides is now on hold. The ground is just too saturated for the equipment.
So we can't get in there and do that, so the weeds are going to get bigger, and they're going to take their toll on it too. So we got, it's a double whammy.
Doug Pratt manages the soybean field near Buttonwood Park in Perrysburg. He says the next 2 weeks are critical.
If they get out of the water and get dried off, they still have a chance to grow, but it's a little too late to replant anything. So we just have to go with what we have.
Pratt has dealt with a lot already. This is what the land looked like nearly 3 months ago from the Maumee River ice jams. And getting these soybeans to this stage was already a challenge. 30 acres of the topsoil was completely wiped out during the ice jams.
Oh, it was quite a struggle. We spent a lot of time here getting this ready to plant, and I never thought it would look like this.
And now you have that rain threatening.
Yes. Heck of a way to make a living, isn't it?
And it's not just the wet weather. Humidity is also a factor for the roots to take hold. Jeff Creaky says the rain and humidity also poses a mold issue for the strawberry crops that are producing right now. Reporting live tonight, Senna Ora, 13 ABC Action News.